Hey guys, my name is Becky. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to get any sort of statbot to actually work and generate those nice text and image files for you. First you're going to go to developer.clashofclans.com and you're going to create an account if you don't have one already. I actually do have one, so we're going to be logging in here. Log in. And what we're going to do is we're going to go here to my account. I'm gonna create a new key, but actually what we're first gonna do is gonna open up another tab and we're gonna be typing what's my IP. You're gonna need your IP address to actually be able to create another API token. We're gonna give it a name, stats, a description, also stats. Then right here we're gonna add our just copied IP address to actually say, okay, this IP address is allowed to use this API token that we are going to create. Then the API token is used to allow the program to actually fetch the data that you'll need. If we copy this now, we're going to select it all, do Control C. Then now we're going to go into our Windows Explorer. We're going to be taking a look at this folder right here, scoreboard. Then the main folder we want to look into is the documents folder. As you can see, there is already 4 things in there. We have the output, which is where the generated files are going to go. We have the clan tag, which is where you're going to input the tag of the clan that you want to track the stats of. We have the Clash API token, which is where we're going to input the thing we just copied. And then there is the war tag, and personally speaking, I have never had to use that. What we're going to do is we're going to open up this file, tag everything that's already in there, and paste our new API token that we've just created. Then we're gonna go one level up where our actual program is. By the way, I will make this program available in the description. I'll upload it to my Google Drive so you can play with it. Then what we're gonna do is it's gonna say it's added 1 tag to the list, which it actually fetched. If we take a look at the documents again, it's gonna fetch all the tags that you put in here. If you want to do multiple wars, you gotta do it with each new line. So if we do an enter, I'm gonna be able to add another clan tag in there, but usually I just keep track of 1 war. If we actually just close this file, not gonna save because we don't want the enter in there. We go to output. Should have actually emptied this, but we're gonna do that now. Then we're gonna force the bot to update with any key press. It's gonna update and it is gonna actually generate all those files that you see in here. Should seem familiar from the last video that we did where we added these files into OBS. A couple of things to note for this bot is it is gonna periodically update. I think the default is set to about every 1.5 minutes, and of course it will update as well when you press any key. Another thing to note is that the stats will be generated wherever you have the folder set. So in this case I have it on my desktop and then in a folder called scoreboard because it's my version. Then in there's going to be a folder called documents and a folder called output. That's where it is going to place all those text files and all those images. And that's also going to be the place where you can load them into your OBS from. So whenever you set this up, make sure to actually remember the place you used to put the files. That way you don't have to search a long time to actually find the files that you're looking for when setting it up in OBS. That's gonna wrap it up. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you again in the next video.